Alright, so here is the ORGBRO little printer. I like the look of it. Nice size. Um, Battery lasts a good while. I have not plugged this thing in yet. And I've printed quite a few stickers out with it yesterday and this morning. It also comes with a little driver for PC, and it's labeled. I can get the light on, and there you go. So if it ends up in a drawer or something, you find it later. Oh, okay. I know what this goes to. Very nice. Your instruction manual with code to download the app, all the instructions you need, which we will get to now. Here's the app. I already have a PDF loaded. We'll go ahead and get that going. There we go. Now you see my label here. Let's go ahead. Oops. Confirm. All right. And then let's see how the label actually looks. I mean, I know it's going to be black and white because it's thermal. Um, but pay attention to my little the center logo, that little tag looking thing. We'll go and print. Confirm. Show you. Well, there it goes. Normally it doesn't take that long. Oh, I forgot to. I had I had it right the other day, but to where it was all fitting on one sticker rather than doing this. Took me a little bit to figure it out. That is one downside. But as you can see, this is large, and you see it just made it all black. There's no details whatsoever. Other than that, it looks good. So it's going to work good for lettering, um, maybe simple, just smiley face design, stuff like that. That's not going to have any detail in it because it's just going to black out all the detail. Um, yeah, I'm going to have to figure. I got to remember what I did to get it all on one sticker. So it is a little bit of a learning curve, and thermal printing, get uh, you're not going to get much detail. Granted, I was hoping it would at least get some of that in there in black and all, or in just black, but oh well. It is what it is, and I mean, it works well for what it is. Just don't expect too much, and you'll be great.
This printing machine by ORGBRO is so simple to use. You turn it on, you download an app, you design on the app, and you print from the app. You connect it via Bluetooth, and when the labels print out, they are clean and they are usable and they are perfect. I am thrilled with how easy this is and how compact. It is. Doesn't need ink. It is a laser printer. The labels are not very expensive. It is perfect for the small business.